Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will know that if your Chrome browser is not open in your Windows 11, so how to fix it. So let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 8.1 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. In this video we will know that how to fix Chrome not open problems. So the first method is right click on this Chrome icon and after that click on show more option, and you can see here open file locations option is available here. Click on it, and after that you can see here Chrome icon is displayed here. Right click on it and click on show more option, and after that click on rename option, and after that type here Chrome 1. Okay, and right click on it again, and after that select here show more option and click on send to desktop. Create shortcut on desktop. So you can see here remote Chrome 1 shortcut is added here. So guys, delete this option. Right click on it and click on delete button, and double click on it. If your problem is not fixed here, type here under search option control panel. Okay, you can see here control panel is available here. Type here control panel, PANEL. Okay, you can see here control panel option is available here. Click on it. After that click on large icons and click on program and features option, and after that uninstall Chrome browser. Click on it and right click on it and click on uninstall option. Okay, after that reinstall this browser again. Click on your Edge browser and open it, and type here Google, and after that type here Chrome, download, and click on download Chrome option. After that click here download Chrome option. So you can see here your Chrome installer get downloaded here. Click on this show in folder option, and after that click on right click on it and click on run as administrator. So it is taking for some times to install, so wait for some time. So guys, you can see here your Chrome browser get installed again your laptop. You can click on it, double click on it, and your browser now open. So I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.